Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So coming back to the topic, that is operating system deadlocks. So in this session we will be covering deadlock handling one numerical question. With this question we will share with you some detailed explanation and tricks that will help you score good marks in all kind of competitive as well as your college level examination. So this particular video, this question is very important, so watch this video carefully. So here we have the question that says, consider a scenario where three processes P1, P2 and P3 are sharing X resources of the same type. Okay, so here they had given process P1, P2 and P3. These three processes are sharing a common resource X. X could be any CPU, any memory location, any magnetic tape drive, anything you can consider. Process P1, P2 and P3 are sharing X resources of the same type. X number of resources that are of same type. That means if P1 is using any type of memory, then P2 and P3 will definitely use the same type of resource. The maximum need of process P The maximum need of three processes are 4, 8 and 6 respectively. Okay, so they had given process P1, P2 and P3. Their maximum need is 4, 8 and 6. It is also known that the maximum combined need of both processes P1 and P2 at a time is 9. Combined need of P1 and P2 is 9, and they always execute only in combined manner. Then the value of X is what? Okay, so here all these things are given. We can easily simplify this. Okay, so we can easily simplify this. The value of X, or sometimes they ask you to find the value of X plus 7. So we will discuss both the situations. So at first you have to understand the question clearly. They said P1 and P2 combined have the maximum need 9 and they always execute only in combined manner. So P1 plus P2 is 9 and in second step P3 is 6. It is given. Okay. So minimum need of X to avoid a deadlock. We always check first how to avoid the deadlock. Okay, so for that we have to check the minimum value of X to avoid the deadlock. That is X equals to 9 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this is very important formula. You have to remember this. Total requirement is 9 and whenever we want to avoid the deadlock, we just have to allocate one value lesser than the given value. So that's why we say 9 minus 1 and 6 minus 1 here. Okay, and to avoid deadlock maximum need से एक resource कम ही लेना है and दोनों का combine processing है. ठीक है, दोनों की combined processing है P1 and P2 की, इसीलिए यहाँ पर इस वाले 1 को हमने लिखा है. ओके, सो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है. इसके बाद the value is x equals to 8 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 14. So this is the value of x. X equals to 14. Okay, अगर क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ इतनी सी चीजें दी होगी कि find the value of x, then you have to stop here. But if in case they ask you to find the value of x plus 7, okay, so you have to add it. So maximum, sorry, this is not maximum, we have to find the minimum number of processes required for deadlock free systems equals to x plus 7, that is always equals to 21. X is 14, x plus 7, 14 plus 7 equals to 21. So this particular question is very important. किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो सो ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में जरूर आएगा ही आएगा. ओके अब यहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा कंफ्यूजन जो स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में रहता है वो ये है कि वी हैव यूज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ p3, we had used the value of p1 plus p2. So what about the value of p1 separately and value of p2 separately? What about these two values? So remember one point in this question. See carefully. In this question, they had asked the maximum combined need. They had asked the maximum combined need of P1 and P2 is 9. Okay, this is what we have written. And यहाँ पर साथ में ये भी बोला है कि remember they always execute only in a combined manner. यहाँ पर लिखा है only. Because of this only term, we just used this value 9. Okay? अगर यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं लिखा होता, अगर यहाँ पर ये नहीं लिखा होता कि ये सिर्फ कंबाइंड मैनर में ही काम करते हैं तो हम 4 और 8 की वैल्यू को यूज कर सकते थे. ओके अगर यहाँ पर ओनली टर्म को यूज नहीं किया होता तो वी कैन यूज p1 एंड p2 सेपरेटली, बट ओनली लिखा है, इसने पूरी स्टेटमेंट का मीनिंग ही चेंज कर दिया. ओके सो इसीलिए आप लोगों ने ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन में ओनली टर्म का इस्तेमाल किया होगा देन कंबाइंड मैनर को ही यूज करना है. अगर यहाँ पर ओनली नहीं लिखा होगा, ये वाली स्टेटमेंट पूरी होगी ही नहीं, देन यू हैव टू यूज दीज टू सेपरेट वैल्यूज. सो जैसे यहाँ पर हमने 6 माइनस 1 9 माइनस 1 किया, वैसे ही फिर हमें 4 माइनस 1 प्लस 8 माइनस 1 प्लस 6 माइनस 1 करना होता. देन वी डोंट हैव टू राइट प्लस 1. We have written plus 1 here just because P1 and P2 combined manner में as a one unit काम कर रहे हैं. That's why we have to write plus 1 here. So this is the basic formula to find out the deadlock free system when we have 2, 3 or multiple processes in a queue. All the processes have some maximum need, and as per their maximum need we have to just deduct value 1 to avoid the deadlock. Okay, so if स्टूडेंट्स अभी तक भी आप लोगों ने प्रीवियस डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस की बेसिक वीडियोस नहीं देखी है, डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस क्या होता है उसका इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो नहीं देखा है, यू विल गेट लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द लिंक and check all the videos. This type of questions are very important in every college, every semester and every competitive examination, whether you are preparing for TGT, PGT, net or set examination. This type of questions can be asked every time. Okay, so I hope everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt you can comment below, I will definitely help you also. Thank you so much.